For each Q60, fittings are available in male and female versions, which can be freely combined for greater flexibility in use. Quick connect fittings are divided into through panel and non-through panel types suitable for different installation scenarios. The through panel type can be purely mounted on a panel or partition. For panel thicknesses less than 10 cm, a mounting hole of 30.5 to 31 mm is recommended. Each male or female end can be configured with or without a valve. The valve-equipped design automatically shuts off fluid during replacement. The male and female ends of the Q60 series can be freely combined. Connections with or without valves can also be mixed, offering greater flexibility and adapting to a variety of application scenarios. The Q60 series supports hose sizes ranging from 9.5 mm to 19.0 mm, and male and female ends of different diameters can be freely combined.